In today's video, I'm going to teach you about your IP address and how to secure it using Nordvpn. Understanding your IP address is crucial for maintaining your online privacy and security, so let's dive right in. Your IP address or Internet Protocol address is a unique number assigned to your device whenever it connects to the internet. This numerical label plays a significant role in enabling online communication and connectivity, but it also comes with some privacy concerns. Your IP address can reveal your location down to the city and country. It can also be used to track your online activity, which might be something you're not entirely comfortable with. Moreover, without proper security measures, your IP address can be exploited by hackers, advertisers, or even government surveillance authorities to monitor your online behavior. But why is it essential to secure your IP address? Without protection, your IP can be utilized to build a tracking profile about you. This means your browsing habits, preferences, and online behavior could be tracked meticulously. Additionally, your identity and location could potentially leak, putting you at risk. This is particularly concerning for gamers or streamers, as a vulnerable IP could make you susceptible to DDoS attacks. Not only that, but your internet service provider or ISP might also throttle your connection during high data activities like streaming or torrenting, based entirely on your IP data. To tackle these issues, let's explore how Nordvpn can help secure your IP address. The first step is to hide your real IP. When you connect to Nordvpn, your internet traffic is routed through a secure VPN server. This effectively hides your real IP address and instead assigns you a new virtual IP based on the Nordvpn server's location. This process keeps your actual location private, ensuring that anyone attempting to track your movements online sees only the information of the VPN server. Next, NordVPN employs military-grade encryption to scramble your data. This means that no one, not even your internet service provider, hackers, or websites, can access or interpret what you're doing online. Your internet activities remain strictly confidential and secure. The third step allows you to choose where your IP seems to originate. NordVPN offers servers in over 60 countries, enabling you to select a server location that suits your needs. If you connect through a US server, your IP will appear as though you're browsing from America. Similarly, connecting through a UK server will make your IP appear British. For added security, you can use obfuscated servers, which make VPN traffic even harder to detect. By understanding your IP address and securing it with NordVPN, you can take control of your online privacy and greatly enhance your internet security. So give it a try and browse the internet knowing that your private information is safe and sound.